Do you have a buyer that's bothering you on eBay? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a buyer on eBay. Let's get started. First, go to the official eBay's website. You must be logged in with your account if you haven't already. You can either search here for the block buyers page or go to ebay.com/bzmt/buyerblock to get to the official page where you can block the buyers from your listings. When you get to this page, go to blocked buyers list. Here you can insert the username or email addresses separated by comma in order to block the buyers that are troublesome. And after that, hit submit. Then the users will be blocked. You can enter multiple names here. Bookmark this page to come here often to block some buyers. And that's how you block a buyer on eBay. If you like this video or if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.